Are you ready to explore the intricacies of organizational communication? This video delves into the channels, types, and effectiveness of communication within and between organizations. Discover how these elements shape interactions and drive success. This unit aims to enhance knowledge of communication within organizations. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for effective interaction. Learners will also review their own skills in organizational contexts. Developing these skills leads to better collaboration. Effective communication is key to organizational success. Communication channels are the pathways for information flow. Formal channels include policies and reports. Informal channels involve casual conversations. Internal channels coordinate tasks within an organization. External channels maintain relationships with outsiders. Communication takes various forms based on context. Verbal communication is ideal for clarity and rapport. Written communication is essential for record keeping. Nonverbal cues support or contradict verbal messages. Digital communication offers fast, wide-reaching options. Organizations communicate externally with stakeholders. Customers are engaged through marketing and support. Suppliers interact via contracts and negotiations. Regulators require compliance reports and audits. Partners collaborate through joint meetings and documents. Effective communication depends on clarity and medium. Timeliness ensures messages retain usefulness. Feedback confirms understanding and resolves confusion. Barriers like noise can weaken communication. Effective communication enhances decision-making and relationships. Verbal communication is effective for quick feedback. It occurs face-to-face, over the phone, or in video meetings. Quick clarification and handling sensitive issues are its strengths. Immediacy allows for instant feedback and understanding. However, it may lack record-keeping efficiency. Written communication is vital for documentation. Emails and reports provide a permanent record. They are suitable for formal correspondence. However, writing can be time-consuming. It may delay decision-making compared to verbal methods. Tools like Teams and Zoom facilitate collaboration. Digital communication is crucial in modern organizations. It's fast, cost-effective, and supports hybrid work. However, over-reliance can lead to information overload. Messages might be missed if not managed properly. Nonverbal cues play a supportive role in communication. Body language and gestures often enhance verbal messages. In meetings, attentiveness and positive gestures build trust. It's crucial for relationship building. However, nonverbal cues are mostly supportive. Visual communication simplifies complex information. Charts and diagrams make data easier to understand. Presentations clarify financial results for non-experts. Visuals enhance clarity and retention of information. They are effective in conveying detailed messages. Formal methods like contracts provide legal protection. They offer clear evidence of agreements. Digital platforms save costs for informal collaborations. Video meetings allow face-to-face interaction without travel. Flexibility in methods ensures effective communication. Barriers can hinder effective communication. Language differences and technical issues are common. Information overload can bury key details. Hierarchical structures may delay message delivery. Personal attitudes and emotions also affect communication flow. Language barriers affect message clarity within organizations. Different levels of proficiency can cause misunderstandings. Cultural differences influence interpretation in international contexts. Adapting communication styles is essential. Misinterpretations can damage relationships. Technology can both aid and hinder communication. Poor connections and incompatible software create challenges. Lack of training on digital tools limits effectiveness. Technical issues during virtual meetings reduce understanding. Addressing these barriers is crucial for success. Information overload is a significant barrier. A constant flow of messages can bury important updates. Prioritizing communication helps highlight key details. Structured communication enhances effectiveness. Without it, crucial information may be overlooked. Rigid hierarchies slow down communication. Messages passing through layers can lose clarity. Direct contact is limited, affecting effectiveness. Communication can be distorted by the time it reaches staff. Streamlining processes can improve message delivery. Personal attitudes can hinder communication flow. Resistance to change affects information sharing. Emotions like stress reduce listening effectiveness. Conflicts shift focus from messages to disagreements. Encouraging open dialogue can mitigate these issues. Ensuring channels for feedback enhances clarity. Feedback is crucial for effective communication. One-way methods like memos limit understanding. Without feedback, misunderstandings can grow. It prevents small issues from becoming larger problems. Technology drives changes in communication channels. Digital platforms enable faster and cheaper interactions. Employees must adapt to new tools quickly. Remote work has transformed internal communication. Virtual negotiations reduce the need for travel. Globalization affects communication across time zones. Digital methods are crucial for international teams. Email and video conferencing bridge geographical gaps. Asynchronous communication ensures information access. It supports collaboration regardless of location. In conclusion, effective communication is essential in today's evolving business landscape. Adapting communication channels to meet changing needs is crucial. By embracing both technology and human interaction, organizations can ensure long-term success. Overcoming barriers enhances clarity and efficiency, while balancing innovation with tradition allows businesses to thrive. Thank you for watching this video.